Hello guys, this is how to lock apps on your Redmi 15C. The process is quite simple. First things first, you want to head over to the settings of your Redmi 15C. Now scroll down until you get to the apps settings over here. Select that, and once the list of apps on your Redmi 15C opens up, you want to just click on the app lock option over here, click on turn on, and then you want to go ahead and enter your password, pin or pattern that you want for the locked apps on your Redmi 15C. If you don't want a pattern, you can as well just click on change password, select a pin or password and go with that. In my case, I'll go with a pattern, so I'll just enter my pattern over here. Go ahead and enter your pattern or pin or password again, and then just click on the next button. Now you'll be required to create a Xiaomi account if you do not have a Xiaomi account. This will be very useful if you ever forgot the password to your locked apps. You can as well skip it if you don't want by simply just clicking on the not now option, or you can as well go ahead and just sign into your account or create one if you want. In my case, I'll just go ahead and add my Xiaomi account. I already have my account signed in. Now by default, all of this application will be selected and marked as locked apps, so you can just go ahead and deactivate them if you don't want to lock specific applications from over here. But actually I want to lock the Facebook app, so I will actually leave this one checked, then click on the use app lock option over here. You can go ahead and add your fingerprint as well, and now you can add more apps you want to lock on your Redmi 15C. So you can add the screensaver, the YouTube app, and now you just want to leave this whole page. And if you try to open up the Facebook app from over here, you're going to see now that this particular app is locked. So if I click on it, I will have to enter my password for me to be able to use it. That is basically how to lock apps on your Redmi 15C. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.